How to share someone's story on Facebook. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. To share a story, all you have to do is tap on the story that you want to share. When you select a story, at the bottom you will see the option of share. So all you have to do is simply tap on share, then tap on share now. As you can see, it is denoting that the story has been sharing. Now once it is successfully shared, it will notify you shared to your story, as you can see right here. Now head back and check out your story and you will see the story being shared through your page as well. To conduct some of the story setting, tap on the three dot icon at the top, then tap on story setting. Here you can manage your privacy, sharing options, archive and mutes. It is a quick and easy process. However, if you face any of a bug or a glitch issue, follow this next step. So all you have to do is open up your phone setting first and foremost. From here, scroll down and tap on apps and head to all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Facebook. Tap on the Facebook application, force stop it, then head to storage and cache and clear up the cache. This will help to solve any of the bug or a glitch issue. While you're in your setting, check out the system update and make sure that your system is up to date as well. Now once you are done with this process, open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Facebook. If there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall your application and reinstall it later. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.